is going on, YouTube? Back here with another video. It's actually pretty rainy today outside. Let me show you the sky. You can see all this cloud coverage. It was raining earlier, so I'm not gonna really be doing anything outside. The only thing I have to do is cover some plants up so they don't freeze tonight, or and other than that, I'm going to be taking you guys inside to show you guys some new editing software I'm going to be trying to get used to. And I'm going to show you a new action camera that I got that I'm going to try out and see if it's any good. Records in 1080p at 30 frames a second for $60. I guess that's not bad, but I'm going to give it a little try and see how it goes, and I'll get back with you guys with that. So without further delay, let's get to seeing this camera. Alright guys, so here's the software I'll be using. It's called Shotcut. My friend recommended it to me. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I really don't know anything about this. There's just a few little things here and there that I could tell you, cut, copy, timeline menu, basic stuff like that. But I don't know anything about this. I'm trying to look up, tutorials and kind of mess with it a little bit. But I'm gonna get back with you guys on this. I'm hoping I get used to this pretty easily so that I can use it. But anyway, let me show you guys this camera real quick. Alright guys, so you can see right here what I've got. Get this open. So you see here, got my charger, that's the camera. There's a few other accessories like straps and mounts in here. I also got the micro SD. You're gonna need that to actually save your stuff on there. It's not included in the package with this. So our charger here, it's a micro USB. If I can get the camera to focus on that. Some kind of mount, this is the magnet mount that screws into the bottom, so you can stick it to any surface. There's the camera itself. Got the front screen on the front, screen on the back. I think the back one's like 2-inch screen. The front's like 1.75, I don't know. It should say on the box here. Oh, 1.4-inch screen, sorry. It's waterproof, shatter resistant, freeze resistant, dust proof, Wi-Fi enabled, so I can connect this to my phone and share that with the video and pictures that I capture to my phone, and then do my editing there. But I can also hook it to my computer and share it with the computer, which that's what I plan to do in the future. Here we have some straps. I'm gonna look more into what those are for exactly. This mount kind of confused me. Not sure how to use it. I know it sticks to a surface, but this is supposed to be like a bike mount, or I can mount this to like any pole or anything that this will fit around. I'm thinking this has something to do with this piece. It connects somehow, I'm not sure. Anyway, let's turn this thing on. Just put it down. See, it's on there. Alright. So you can see mode, menu, and record, which I know it's probably backwards for you guys. Sorry about that. Obviously record is the red button. You click it over here and that's going to start your recording. Menu brings up all these little tabs here. See, like video settings. Select that. I can change the resolution. It does 4K. Right here I can connect Wi-Fi into my phone and share the information and all that. Mode changes it to the photo mode, so I would be snapping a photo. This goes to where you can watch your recordings that you capture on the device. And then we go back to video mode. So, yeah. I'm gonna get back to you guys. I'm gonna go charge this thing. I actually got another one before, and I tried to charge it and it wouldn't charge, so I went back and got another one. So let's see if it's gonna charge. Now to get to the charger, you've got to take this rubber casing off. And that's right here. That's also where your SD card goes, and that's where I'm going to be putting that. I'm going to go put this on charge, and I'm going to take you guys outside with me to kind of watch me cover the plants. Alright guys, so we're gonna cover these plants for the cold so that they don't die. So, get started. Alright, so back to the camera I was showing you earlier. I don't know about that thing. I've already gone back to get two, and the second one won't charge either. So I might just steer away from that camera and try to go for something else. So something else I gotta do today. I gotta make the car more festive. You can get these at AutoZone, they're Type S. I recommend these. As you can see, it's gonna be blue. So plugs into your cigarette lighter. The cigarette lighter has a on and off switch on it. I'm gonna leave it off for now. Take your cable and try to run it through crevices to kind of tuck it out of the way. Obviously it's not going to be completely out of the way, but alright, so you're going to want to find a surface to take it to. I think this is going to work fine right here, this little box. That way it can hide the LED strip, but you still get the ambient light. Alright guys, we got one in. Actually looks pretty good. Let's go to the other side and get the other side. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the other strip right here, so it's just out of sight, but you get that ambient lighting. There we go. Alright. Let's get this cable tucked. Tucked neatly as it can be. Now I got that ambient blue color. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today. Like I said, it's pretty cold out here and I think it's gonna rain at any given point. But thank you for watching guys. I'll see you in the next video. I missed.
Audio Jungle.